Here I have OMODA, and let me show you how to turn on or off the rear cross traffic assist. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Choose here the second app from the left, which is the apps icon. Now choose here the vehicle settings, so this icon with the car. And now you can use the left menu, select here the driver assistance. And from driver assistance, let's find the rear cross traffic assist, as you can see here. You've got here also the information from the OMODA. When this function is turned on and you are driving in reverse, the system will detect if there is a danger or collision with a passing obstacle behind you, give you a warning, and automatically declarate or stop the vehicle. So I think, in my opinion, it's really useful, so I keep this always on. As you can see, you can disable it by using the switcher, but enable it in the same way. So in my opinion, it's a really good safety feature, and I recommend to enable the rear cross traffic assist. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.